Hi guys, Alec here, and Instagram have just released a brand new feature. The new feature is called Type Mode, and if you don't have it yet, I suggest you go and try and update your Instagram. The feature allows users to post their thoughts in text without needing to post a picture as a story. Like standard stories, it will be available for 24 hours and you can customize the audience that can view it. Instagram offers a variety of different styles that you can use when formulating these Type Mode text-only stories. When you open up your camera, you'll see Type next to Normal under the Record button. Tap Type and write whatever comes to your mind. The 4 new styles released are Modern, Neon, Typewriter and Strong. Instagram posted on their blog today with this video saying, "Today we're introducing Type Mode in Stories, a new way to share anything that's on your mind with creative styles and backgrounds. No photo or video required, now you can turn the most random thoughts into something colourful and expressive." Now you can also use the new styles when adding text to any photo or video, and like everything else, you share to stories. So that was the video for today guys. I just wanted to quickly update you on this new feature, and I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think of this feature in the comment section below. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Peace out.